Indeed, when there is a matter upon which both revealed knowledge and acquired knowledge agree, it is light upon light. In contrast, anything that is not proven by revealed knowledge or equivalent knowledge is not considered true by the Quran and Islam. For example, within our neighboring country there is a belief among approximately 90 crore Hindus. The earthquake occurs because there is a cow that lifts the earth on one of its horns. When it gets tired, it lifts it on the other horn, and thus the earthquake happens due to its movement. Now, this argument is neither present in revealed knowledge nor in equivalent knowledge. However, in equivalent knowledge, people in the field of geology, known as geologists, tell us that earthquakes occur due to disturbances in tectonic plates. Now, what causes these plates to be disturbed? The answer is not provided by science. Rather, it is revealed through analysis that everything is controlled by a supreme being, a supernatural agency, or a supreme authority. The details of time are merely the physical phenomena of nature that are discovered, such as the tides in the ocean caused by the gravitational force of the moon. So, where does this force come from, and why does it exist within matter? Science remains silent on this. It states that this is just a physical phenomenon of nature